Forge is Santa Clara's half-acre urban farm focused on sustainable food production. Through it, students can participate and see the effects of locally grown food on the community.
At the Forge Garden, we believe that every student should leave the university with the skill set needed to prepare a sustainable, healthy, and delicious meal. Using our outdoor kitchen, we plan to host cooking workshops, cooking competitions, and other events using Forge-grown produce. Your donation will help us purchase supplies and materials needed to have cooking workshops in the garden.
I started my internship at the Forge Garden my sophomore year because I wanted a chance to get outside and learn about gardening. My whole first year, I soaked up the tangible skill set of growing food. I want to take all the knowledge and the passion that I've gotten from the Forge Garden and take that into my career and my life and make change to the food system.
California is prone to drought, so even with heavy rains, it can still be very dry. At the Forge Garden, we have the potential to harvest over 6,300 gallons of rainwater from our solar house and our greenhouse. With your gift, you can help us fund our rainwater system, and we can reduce our water footprint together.